Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. My name's David and I fix RVs. And today we're going to be replacing this rooftop refrigerator vent cover, which looks to be long overdue. And I'm going to be using this Camco cover to replace it. Let's get started. I've got some instructions here, and it says that if your holes are 5 and 5/16 inches apart, that you're going to have to go ahead and use this bracket that comes with the kit. But the holes on mine are actually closer to about 4 1/4 inches. You know, I measured this and this here, so I'm going to be able to use these existing holes without installing this bracket. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just drill a couple of pilot holes right here. This is set up to where it's got letter D for Dometic refrigerators, and then you got an N here if you're going to install this cover on your Norcold refrigerators. So these distances are different. So I'm going to go ahead and drill pilot holes here, here, and then I got 2 more on the other side as well. The instructions don't actually say anything about drilling pilot holes. I just did that to be safe. Difficult to see the holes, so I'm going to put the screws in first and then line them up with the holes down here. Let's see if that makes it any easier. There we go, that one's right on. Let me get that started. Not sure if these are lined up or not. Need to take a quick peek. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of self-leveling sealant on the top of these screws and we will be done. Alright guys, hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.